If you want to install Valorant on your PC in 2026 and do it the right way without errors, this is exactly what you need. Because a lot of people run into problems like installation failing Vanguard errors, game not launching. So in this complete official style guide, I'll show you how to install Valorant on PC step by step, plus the key things you need to avoid issues. Let's get into it. First, what is Valorant? Valorant is a competitive tactical shooter developed by Riot Games. It's free to play, but you need to install it properly because it uses its own anti-cheat system called Vanguard. Now, before installing, let's check requirements. Minimum requirements 2026 basics. Windows 10 or Windows 11. At least 4 GB RAM, 8 GB recommended. A decent CPU, Intel i3 or equivalent. Stable internet connection. If your PC meets this, you're good to go. Now, step 1. Go to the official website, open your browser, and go to the official Valorant website. Important. Always download from the official site to avoid errors or malware. Now, step 2. Download the installer. Click on Download, and you'll get the Valorant installer file. It's small because it installs the full game later. Once downloaded, open the file. Now, step 3. Run the installer, double-click the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The installer will begin setting up the Riot client. Now, step 4. Install Riot client and Valorant. The Riot client will download, automatically install Valorant. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Now, here's something very important. Install Riot Vanguard. During installation, Vanguard will be installed automatically. This is required to play. If you skip or disable it, the game will not launch. Now, step 5. Restart your PC after installing Vanguard. You must restart your computer. This step is mandatory. Without restarting, Valorant won't work properly, so don't skip this. Now, step 6. Log into your account after restarting. Open Riot client, log in with your Riot account if you don't have one. Create a free account. Now, step 7. Launch the game, click play, and Valorant will launch. The first launch may take a bit longer. After that, you're ready to play. Now let's talk about common problems and fixes. Problem: Valorant not installing. Fix: run installer as administrator. Disable antivirus temporarily. Problem: Vanguard error. Fix: restart your PC. Make sure Vanguard is enabled. Problem: game not launching. Fix: update drivers, update Windows, reinstall Vanguard. Now, some important tips. Always keep your game updated. Updates fix bugs and improve performance. Close background apps before playing. This helps avoid lag and crashes. Use a stable internet connection, because Valorant is an online game. Now let's quickly recap. To install Valorant on PC in 2026, go to the official website. Download the installer. Run the installer. Install Riot client and Valorant. Install Vanguard. Restart your PC. Log in and launch the game. And that's it. Simple. But very important to follow correctly. If this helped you, let me know. Are you installing Valorant for the first time or reinstalling it?